Okay, so in the previous lecture I showed you how to install Python through the Anaconda bundle. Now the benefit of installing Python through Anaconda was that you get Python and the Spider environment with the IPython console in one single executable file. Now if you don't want to install Anaconda, you can install Python through its official site. And to do that, you just go over to python.org to downloads, and there you have some different versions of Python, and I'll choose Windows, and you have version 3.4 here. Okay, and then wait until the file downloads. Okay, then just execute it, and the installation is very easy. Then just run it and go next, and you set the directory where you want to install it and keep the options as default if you want, and finish at the end, and Python now should be installed in your computer. Now Python was installed with its default interpreter, and you have it among your programs, so just this one here. So this is the interactive shell where you can type code interactively, so you just type in code and you get the output. But you can also access Python through your command line. So you just type Python and you get the Python shell again here. Now to install a library, you just use the pip library. So pip install, let's say PCSets, which is a library for musical analysis. So the installation is very easy, as you see. And now if you want IPython, you can go ahead and install it using pip again. So pip install IPython. That's it. And then you can access the IPython interpreter through the command line. So instead of writing Python, you write IPython. And then you get a shell which has some extra functionalities compared to the default Python shell. So you can either choose the default Python interpreter or the IPython. So that depends on your preferences. But I use IPython myself. Now one last thing I want to show you is, so this far we looked at how to write code interactively. Now I can show you how to write scripts of code. So to do that, you just go to a folder and then create a script and name it with a .py extension at the end. So .py is a Python extension. And then inside you write some code. Let's say print the sum of 5 and 6, and then to run it you just go over to run and run module, or you can even press F5 on your keyboard. Great, the script asks you to save it, and then you get the output in the Python interactive console, as you see. So that's what I wanted to show you. You have the editor here and you have the interactive shell here. Again, I use Spider, so I have both the IPython shell and the editor in one single window. Thanks, and see you in the next lecture.